1 month before the BARM parliamentary elections, COMELEC provided a sneak peek of its data center in Parañaque City. The 3 data centers located in Makati and Parañaque will serve as COMELEC's main hubs to receive, process, store, and back up votes transmitted from automated counting machines. Security is also strict at the facility. Prohibited items include cameras and cell phones that could be used to take photos or videos inside the data center.
Meron po itong level ng security na kung saan hindi rin naman pwede na hanggang sa kaloob-looban ay pwedeng pasukin ng kahit na sino. Dahil nga sa napaka-crucial na ito ay hindi naaabot ng tao o nahahawakan ng kahit na sino-sino lamang. Diyan natin ipapakita na pwede niyong pagkatiwalaan at ito ay secure ang lahat ng server ng komisyon.
COMELEC Chairperson George Erwin Garcia also assured that the BARM parliamentary elections will proceed on the scheduled date, despite reports and speculation that it might be delayed. Garcia emphasized that there are currently no legal impediments preventing the election from taking place.
Tuloy na tuloy po ang ating BARM parliamentary elections sa September 14. Wala na pong makakapigil sa kasalukuyan. Wala pong restraining order mula sa Korte Suprema. Gusto ni Komisyon, bago matapos ang buwan na ito, nakapag-deploy na tayo sa lahat ng gamit na gagamitin sa araw ng elections.
Meanwhile, on the issue of peace and order, the POL body continues to coordinate with the Armed Forces of the Philippines and the Philippine National Police as part of election preparations. According to the Commission, areas considered under the red category or with higher security concerns continue to decrease. No location in BARM is currently considered necessary to be placed under COMELEC control. In line with this, COMELEC reminded voters to be discerning of the information they see and hear ahead of the elections.
Napaka-critical ito na dapat ay magkaroon tayo ng mas malawakang voters education campaign. Alam kung paano boboto, sino iboboto at paano boboto tayo ng tama.
COMELEC will also hold a final command conference in Maguindanao this coming August 25 as part of final coordination and security preparations before the election. Sheila Natividad, for The Nation.